Hello, I'm John and we are Lerion Group. As always, we deliver high quality brickwork and scaffolding projects across London. Today we came back at this beautiful Victorian project where we're gonna see what our professional bricklayers done so far.
What makes a modern build look like it's always been part of the house? On this project, we're constructing a new brickwork extension to an existing Victorian property, carefully matching the materials, detailing, and traditional brickwork patterns found within the original building. One of the most important features we're replicating is the English bond brickwork pattern, a method widely used throughout the Victorian era and recognized for both its strength and distinctive appearance. The English bond consists of alternating courses of headers and stretchers. A header course shows the short face of the brick, while a stretcher course shows the long face, the one you can see now being laid. This repeating pattern creates a strong structural bond and was commonly used in Victorian solid wall construction before cavity walls became standard practice. The existing Victorian house is constructed with traditional solid brick walls, approximately 1 brick thick, which was common for properties of this age. However, while we are matching the original appearance externally, the new build has been designed to meet modern building regulations. Behind the traditional brick façade, a cavity wall construction has been introduced, incorporating insulation within the cavity to significantly improve the thermal performance of the building and achieve a far better U value than the original solid wall construction. When extending historic properties, matching the original bond pattern is just as important as matching the brick itself. It helps maintain the architectural character of the building while allowing modern construction techniques to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term performance. Throughout this project, we'll be taking you through the brickwork process, forming openings, laying the English bond pattern, and creating an extension that blends seamlessly with the original Victorian home. The queen closer being installed at the corner of the wall is half of a brick, cut lengthways into 2 equal halves and placed directly next to the corner brick. Although it's a small detail, it plays an important role in English bond construction by preventing continuous vertical joints, maintaining the correct bond pattern and helping distribute loads effectively throughout the masonry. It's one of those traditional details that combines both structural performance and craftsmanship. Once the mortar joints have been fully filled, we lightly brush them using a wire brush. The purpose isn't to remove the mortar, but to texture the surface and replicate the appearance of the existing Victorian brickwork. Over time, traditional mortar joints develop a distinctive weathered finish, and by carefully brushing the fresh mortar, we can achieve a finish that blends more naturally with the original building, helping the new extension site seamlessly alongside the existing structure. And here's a perfect example of why bricklayers should always keep an eye on their perps. At first, everything looks fine, confidence is high, production is flying. Then suddenly the bricklayer notices the vertical joints have started wandering off on their own. Now comes the traditional bricklayer's solution. Don't panic. Just start dragging a few bricks back and hope nobody notices. Unfortunately, the camera notices everything. And of course, a special thank you to the laborer for keeping the work area clean and tidy. Funny how this service only appears when the wall is nearly finished and the bricklayers have already started thinking about their afternoon tea. Meanwhile, the laborer is left armed with a shovel, a brush, and the knowledge that the bricklayers are probably already at home with a cup of tea in hand. This mark left by the bricklayer, it's there to indicate where the brickwork needs to be set back to allow for the future installation of the stone sill, which is currently being manufactured. This ensures the opening is constructed to the correct dimensions and that the stone sill can be installed seamlessly once delivered to site.
What we've done so far, we just finished the first lift of brickwork. As you can see here, we left the space for the stones that are going to come later on. Let's follow. On this side as well, we're gonna have the stones in place. As you can see, we got the insulation. We've got a small air gap there between the insulation and the outer leaf. On this sash window, we're gonna have a stone as well, and just on this location at the top, we're gonna have another stone to match the same architecture as is there. I think the client on this project done very well in regards to matching the new brick with the existing one.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more real construction projects, brickwork techniques, and behind-the-scenes site content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next one.